Go ahead. You can open it now. Go ahead, open the present.
Hey, it's for my toy. It's my toy. It's for Mickey. It's for Larry. No. It's for Wally. It's for Wally. It's for kids. It's for kids. It's for kids.
Show it to me.
It's for kids. It's for kids.
What do you tell Grandpa Jim, Austin?
It's for mine. It's for mine.
Here, show it to me. What do you tell Grandpa Jim?
Yeah. I got Wally.
Oh, what do you say? Do you say thank you, Grandpa Jim?
Look. Buttons on it. Look.
What do you?
Buttons.
Yeah, what do you say to Grandpa Jim?
See?
Say thank you, Grandpa Jim.
Buttons on it. Buttons on it. Buttons on it.
The computer.
Computer.
Can you say thank you, Grandpa Jim?
Thank you, buttons, Jim.
Grandpa Jim.
Boom.